We've got Alapop looking for the leader. Moving up that on the outside is the favorite Precise Move Moonracer racing in third, then followed in by Mount Capistrano, while Panata was left behind. So down the backstretch run, the favorite Precise Move now taking over the lead now against Alapop, ranked back in 30s. Moonracer, then sitting behind them is Mount Capistrano, and they move to the far turn. Precise Move is still a length and a half lead. Precise Move still there in front over Alapop, remains in second out, trying to come back, and still in 30s. Moonracer and Mount Capistrano, 400 meters left to go. It's Precise Move by a length and a half, trying its best. That on the inside is Alapop, and at the top of the stretch it is still Precise Move, expanding its lead now to about 2 lengths over Alapop. Remains in second Mount Capistrano, and Moonracer now last of all in the last 50 meters. Easy winner dominates the third race. Precise Move second, Alapop, then comes Mount Capistrano, finishing last Moonracer.